You will need to use S9 key jaw to cut this key, but you can use it directly, no need to calibrate it. S9 key jaw is a 2-in-1 jaw which supports to cut ABU's and Citroën SX9 keys. You can rotate the jaw to cut different key types. We will show you how to rotate the jaw from ABU's side to SX9 side. Loosening the knob firstly. Then rotating the jaw to SX9 side and tightening the knob. Then fix a key blank in the jaw. Please note position 6 is the default scale, which is the horizontal situation. Insert the key blank to the end of key jaw, holding the key by hands to prevent it from slipping and tightening the screw by wrench. Fix the key jaw on the machine. Search ID 1001 to enter the key data, then input the bitting number 542664. This key need to use 1mm decoder and 2.0mm cutter. Click Cut to enter cutting page. The software will remind you to check if the scale is at position 6. If yes, click OK to start cutting.
根据图示，将钥匙旋转至刻度2，确认无误后点击 OK。切割。根据图示，将钥匙旋转至刻度4，确认无误后点击 OK， 开始切割。根据图示，将钥匙旋转至刻度5。根据图示，将钥匙翻面，检查刻度是否为6，确认无误后点击 OK， 开始切割。根据图示，将钥匙旋转至刻度2。确认无误后点击 OK， 开始切。切割。根据图示，将钥匙
turn the key to position 4 shown in the figure. Then click OK to start cutting. Turn the key to position 5 shown in the figure. Then click OK to start cutting. All cutting is done. Please clean the shavings and test that the new key works well.